Numbers are fun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Counting numbers is so easy. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, kids, let's go slow. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Learning numbers happily. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Counting numbers nice and slow. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep on counting, you're alive. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Say hooray, we're doing great. 41, 42, 43, 45. Numbers, numbers we adore. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Counting numbers more and more.
Bye-bye, kids! See you again! Subscribe our channel at How Tiny Smart World.